Welcome to the Drupa 24 review. Hi, I'm Dave Loos from MCS. I was pleasantly surprised about the turnout. It was much better than I expected. MCS was in 3 different booths. Booth 6 was our dealers, Booth 8 was Kyocera, and Booth 10 was Kyocera. VTech is our German dealer. They have been for over 10 years, and they do a great job. They're located in Germany, and they had a great show. The application they were showing was very similar to American's application. It's inkjetting on both sides of a self-mailer, actually duplex, which was a little bit unique. And they also demonstrated our new MyFont cursive, which I was shocked to find out that had a lot of interest in Germany. But as you can see on the video, it's a U-shape configuration, feeding from a pile feeder onto a sheet 2 up, inkjetting one side, tracking, inkjetting the other side, cutting off the barcode, and then plow folding it shut. Next is the Kyocera Document Division's booth, and the highlight of the show was the new 55,000 inkjet press that can now do coated stock. My name is Dave Loos. I'm the president of MCS, and I'm at Drupa 2024, and I'm at the Kyocera booth looking at the new Kyocera cut sheet press that is going to do cut sheet coated stock. It was interesting. They were showing the extended tray 25-inch sheets by 13. And obviously, the 13 by 19 sheets were spectacular quality, which is what you would expect from Kyocera with a 1200 DPI head.
My name is Dustin Groutman. I'm the Senior Director of the inkjet business in Kyocera America. So here at the show at Drupa, we've got 2 of the Task Alpha 15,000Cs, both with different booklet makers that are being demonstrated. One that is only here available in Europe, and then the other, the Plockmatic, which is available in the United States. But really, the flagship of what we're trying to show here is the 55,000C, which will be released in the U.S. later this year. The benefits of that are direct to gloss-coated papers for inkjet with no pre-treatment, no pre-treated paper or anything.
Dustin, how do you see this product fitting in the mail manufacturing space?
So we think this takes us from some of the low-level, entry-level direct mail that's uncoated to full postcards, high-quality commercial print. So we think it's a great replacement for toner, great transition for offset to the inkjet space. Really is going to give everybody a nice entry point.
What's the heaviest paper stock this machine will run?
So right now we're demonstrating full duplex 400 GSM, but we continue to try to push that up. But right now 400 GSM is where it's maxed out at, which is pretty significant with what we got these posters going on.
So 400 GSM, standard paper stock, nothing special?
Nothing special. No pre-treatment, no having to manually duplex. So it's duplexing right through the device at 400 GSM, 1200 by 1200 DPI quality.
And that's 13 by 19?
It's 13 by 19, full 13 by 19 duplex.
What's the, I saw the sample here, what's the maximum size for these odd shapes here?
So we've got a long paper tray that will come at launch that'll go up to 27 inches, but actually manually we could even go up to 42 inches with it. That's going to be a manual. But you know, automation with the full paper tray and the stacking off the end, it's going to give 27 inches duplex, which should allow for 3 up or even 4 up smaller size brochures and products like that.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about the print quality, about the print heads?
So really where Kyocera has entered into this market space is we've enabled others in the production print space for quite some time with our print head technology. So now we are actually commercializing our technology inside a product. So we've had Kyocera print heads in other industries, textile, but also in production print for quite some time. So on the existing 1500, 600 by 600 DPI quality, on this is the latest 1200 by 1200 DPI quality that's coming off of our Kyocera print heads.
How do you see this fitting in as far as operational costs?
So operational costs, and with ink, it's a little bit different than it is toner, so it's not a flat quick charge, but for many applications, we see the cost about half of what we see for toner, even the lowest toner prices that are out there in the market. So as the ink goes up in coverage, the cost delta is still advantaged to inkjet, but maybe not quite so much.
What do you think the target market is for this product as far as clicks? And I'm saying 13 by 19, single-sided. Sure. How many clicks a month is ideal candidate for this machine? So
our analysis at this point, we always learn from customers, but our analysis is we think about 750,000 clicks a month. And that can be a mix of both coded and uncoated that's going to justify it, but about 750,000. And the duty cycle of this, we anticipate going up to 3 million or more, possibly even up to 3.5 or 4 million.
Is that 13 by 19 or 8.5 by 11?
That's 8.5 by 11. So about half
2 million, 13 by 19 sheets a month per machine. Our experience with the other machine is that you can run it 24/7.
Yep.
So I'm sure this is a little bit more complicated than that.
Yeah, we anticipate not just that the technology is a little bit more advanced, maybe a little bit more complicated, the drying technology, but really we think it's going to be the markets that it serves, the expectations of customers in that higher end direct mail space and commercial print. Their expectations are going to be, the premium print quality.
Right. Our experience with Kyocera is they're probably the least known in this industry, but we see them a lot of different places. We're working with Kyocera in a lot of different applications and a lot of different divisions. What's Kyocera's plan for the graphic arts industry?
So we're going to continue to advance in this market space. We're going to continue to innovate and put new products out there. But we think with our print head technology gives us opportunities to enter into markets that we currently don't serve. We serve through others through components. But so we think this really puts us a good foothold at the entry level for graphic arts, and then we're going to establish ourselves here and then grow from there.
Yeah, this is our third Drupa with Kyocera, and our experience has been fantastic. And every year we see more from Kyocera, so we're very happy seeing Kyocera go in this direction.
Well, good. Right. We appreciate the partnership we've had with MCS for a long time, and we look forward to the future.
Thanks. There's a lot of things going for this press that we like. 1200 DPI, the new recirculating heads from Kyocera are in this machine. The estimated price, street price, around 500,000. Proven inkjet technology, duty cycles that are heavy, designed for trade paper stocks. They used a real dryer. We're very happy about that. The paper weight, 400 GSM, is fantastic. The print speed is 13 by 19 at 85. That's as fair for the price point. And it's all really going to come down to the cost per page compared to toner. And we're working with Kyocera to come up with a business model that works for this market. My final thoughts on Drupa 2024 are that I feel like the show was a much bigger success than I was expecting. I've been at the last couple of Drupas, and it tend to be going down in attendance and intensity, and I found this show to be not only pretty vibrant, but it was back to the basics. It wasn't revolutionary Drupa, it was evolutionary Drupa, which was refreshing, to be honest with you. So my overall thoughts are, wow, Drupa's back.